please get on the bus.
Fasten your seatbelt.
Thanks!
The next stop is the supermarket. Let's go. This is the supermarket. The teacher said you need to buy some things and take them to the kindergarten.
Let's buy some new stationery and a school bag. Hello, baby bus. Hello, please get on the bus. Please.
Fasten your seatbelt.
Thanks!
The next stop is the photo studio. Let's go. This is the photo studio. The teacher said you need to take a photo and take it to the kindergarten.
Let's go take a photo.
Welcome.
Could you take my photo?
Okay, what kind of photos do you want? Photo for kindergarten? All right, let's go change clothes first.
Tap the screen to focus and make the picture. Adjust the distance and aim at the headshot frame.
What a nice picture.
Thanks! Tap the screen to focus and adjust the distance and aim at the headshot frame.
That's a nice shot.
Thanks! I've taken the photo. Let's go! Hello, baby bus. Hello. Please get on the bus.
Fasten your seatbelt.
Thanks!
I've picked up all the kids. The next stop is the hospital. Let's go. I'm running low on gas.
Please insert the gas card to fill up the car. Fill up the car.
Baby bus, go! This is the hospital. Have a physical checkup before going to kindergarten.
Let's go get a physical checkup.